Is it possible that life exists beyond Earth, thriving in an environment that we wouldn't consider habitable? This question propels the relentless pursuit of astrobiologists, who are now turning their gaze to the sulfuric acid clouds of Venus. New research is hinting at the tantalizing possibility that these acidic clouds could be a potential abode for life. Janusz Petkowski, a research affiliate at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, is leading the charge. He emphasizes that our understanding of life is based on the biochemistry of life on Earth, but who's to say life elsewhere has to follow the same rules? Life needs some sort of liquid medium to function, but does it always have to be water, he asks? This question opens up a whole new realm of possibilities and calls for a fresh approach to astrobiology and organic chemistry. Why? Because the study has found that amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, remain stable in concentrated sulfuric acid. This is extremely intriguing to astrobiologists, as proteins are a fundamental component of life as we know it. And so we circle back to the sulfuric acid-laden clouds of Venus. Venus, often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and proximity to the Sun, may also be a celestial companion of cozy microbes. The researchers have stated that these findings significantly broaden the range of biologically relevant molecules that could be components of a biochemistry based on a concentrated sulfuric acid solvent. This means that there could be a whole new type of biochemistry that we have yet to discover. One that could potentially support life in environments vastly different from our own. Petkowski and his team are particularly interested in concentrated sulfuric acid as a potential solvent for life. They are keen to understand the basic chemistry that happens in such potential alternative solvents for life, and assess if complex organic chemistry could form in them, be stable and soluble. So could Venus, often called Earth's sister planet, also be a celestial companion of cozy microbes? The answer to this question could redefine our understanding of life and its potential existence beyond Earth. Let's delve into the fascinating findings of this new study. The research, conducted by a team at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, is shaking up our understanding of the conditions required for life. The research focused on Venus, a planet often referred to as Earth's sister, due to their similar size, composition, and proximity to the Sun. However, despite these similarities, Venus has a drastically different environment, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, and an atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide. What caught the researchers' attention were the sulfuric acid-laden clouds that envelop Venus. They wondered, could these acidic clouds potentially harbor life? To explore this possibility, they turned their attention to amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, and thus, essential for life as we know it. The team's major finding was that amino acids remain stable in concentrated sulfuric acid. This is a significant discovery because, here on Earth, life needs some sort of liquid medium to function, and that medium is usually water. However, this finding suggests that life might be able to function in a medium of concentrated sulfuric acid, broadening our understanding of where life might be found. This stability of amino acids in such an aggressive solvent has huge implications for astrobiologists. Up until now, the search for extraterrestrial life has largely focused on finding water. But this finding suggests that we may need to broaden our search. Could there be life forms that have evolved to thrive in environments that would be inhospitable to Earth-based life forms? Could these life forms be based on a biochemistry that uses concentrated sulfuric acid as a solvent? These intriguing questions are just the beginning. The research team is now focused on understanding the basic chemistry that happens in potential alternative solvents for life, like concentrated sulfuric acid. They're interested in assessing if complex organic chemistry could form in them, be stable and soluble. These findings significantly broaden the range of biologically relevant molecules that could be components of a biochemistry based on a concentrated sulfuric acid solvent. And that, dear listeners, is a tantalizing hint at the incredible diversity of life that might exist beyond our home planet. What other potential liquid solvents could harbor life? This question is at the heart of Janusz Petkowski's research at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Petkowski is looking beyond our earthly confines to the surfaces, subsurfaces, and even the clouds of other planets and moons. His work is pioneering a whole new branch of astrobiology, one that explores life's potential to adapt to an array of environments, including those drastically different from our own. Our understanding of life is based on what we know from Earth, where water is the predominant solvent. But life, in its infinite adaptability, might not be so limited. Petkowski's exploration of alternative solvents like concentrated sulfuric acid on Venus could be a game-changer, expanding our understanding of where and how life can exist. Understanding the basic chemistry that happens in these potential alternative solvents for life is essential. Can complex organic chemistry form in these solvents? Can it be stable and soluble? These are the questions Petkowski and his research colleagues are trying to answer. Their work is not just about finding life as we know it, but broadening our understanding of what life could be. The research is also pushing the boundaries of organic chemistry. Studying how biologically relevant molecules behave in these alternative solvents could lead to new insights and discoveries. It's about understanding the rules of life, not just on Earth, but on a universal scale. So what does this mean for our search for extraterrestrial life? It means we must be open to possibilities beyond our current understanding. Life may not look or function as we expect it to. It might exist in environments we previously thought inhospitable. It might utilize solvents we never considered. In our search for life beyond Earth, we must be prepared to challenge our assumptions and expand our horizons. As Petkowski's research suggests, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. On Earth, water is a dominant liquid, but other liquid solvents are also present in our solar system. And who knows where else life might be waiting to be discovered. The research team is particularly interested in concentrated sulfuric acid as a potential solvent for life. This statement sparks a wave of curiosity. We are all aware of the acidic nature of sulfuric acid, but its role as a possible catalyst for life is intriguing. In the constantly churning clouds of Venus, there are droplets of concentrated sulfuric acid. These aren't just ordinary droplets. They contain acid concentrations varying from 81 to 98%, with the remainder being composed of water. It's a harsh environment, no doubt, but perhaps it's just the kind of environment that some form of life needs to thrive. Now, let's take a leap of imagination and venture into the realm of alien biochemistry. Picture this: Venus, our sister planet, continuously being bombarded with meteoritic material. These meteorites aren't just rocks hurtling through space. They are carriers of life's fundamental building blocks, amino acids and other organics. As they crash into Venus, they disperse these elements into the acidic clouds, creating a unique cocktail of potential life-giving compounds. The possibility of life existing in such a hostile environment seems far-fetched, but that's the beauty of science. It constantly pushes the boundaries of our understanding, encouraging us to question what we know and explore the unknown. The researchers at MIT, led by Janusz Petkowski, are doing precisely that. They are delving into the basic chemistry of these potential alternative solvents for life, trying to understand if complex organic chemistry could form, be stable, and soluble in them. This exploration isn't just about finding life on Venus, it's about expanding our understanding of life itself. It's about acknowledging that life, in its myriad forms, could exist in conditions vastly different from our own. It's about embracing the idea that the universe could be teeming with life, in places we've yet to look, in forms we've yet to imagine. Could such an aggressive solvent in the Venus cloud set the stage for alien biochemistry? The answer to that question could change our understanding of life, and our place in the universe, forever. What if life on Venus is fundamentally different from life on Earth? This question is what drives Janusz Petkowski and his team at MIT to delve into the enigmatic world of organic chemistry in concentrated sulfuric acid. Their curiosity is not confined to the boundaries of our planet or the traditional water-based biochemistry we're familiar with. Instead, they're exploring the possibility that the sulfuric acid-laden clouds of Venus could be the stage for a completely different kind of life, a life that thrives in acid, not water. Could these clouds, suspended between 30 to 40 miles above Venus's surface, be bustling with complex chemical reactions that we've yet to comprehend? This research opens up a new perspective on life, challenging our Earth-centric view of biology. It prompts us to contemplate life in ways we never have before, transcending our preconceptions of where and how life can exist. The search for life beyond Earth continues to push the boundaries of our understanding, opening up new possibilities for where and how life might exist.